Once upon a time, in a world not so different from ours, there was a hidden garden that few had ever seen. It was called the Moonlight Garden, and it was said to bloom only at midnight, when the moon hung high in the sky and the world was quiet. The garden was filled with magical flowers that glowed softly, casting a gentle light that could calm even the busiest mind. Tonight, this garden is waiting for you. Let me tell you how you'll find it. You're lying in your bed, cozy and warm, when you notice a soft silver light spilling through your window. It's brighter than usual, almost as if the moon is calling to you. You sit up and peer outside, and there, just beyond your doorstep, you see a narrow path lined with glowing stones. They pulse faintly, like tiny stars scattered on the ground. Something about them feels inviting, and without thinking twice, you slip on your shoes and step outside. The night air is cool but not cold, and it carries the faint scent of blooming flowers. You follow the path, the glowing stones lighting your way. The further you go, the quieter the world becomes. The sounds of the day, the chatter, the noise, the busyness, all fade away, replaced by the soft rustle of leaves and the occasional chirp of a cricket. Soon, the path leads you to a gate made of twisting vines. It's slightly ajar, as if someone, or something, is expecting you. You push it open and step inside, and there it is, the Moonlight Garden. The garden is breathtaking. Flowers of every color glow softly, their light shifting and dancing like fireflies. Some are tall and elegant, their petals unfolding like silk. Others are small and delicate, clustered together like tiny lanterns. The air is filled with a gentle hum, a soothing melody that seems to come from the flowers themselves. You walk deeper into the garden, your footsteps silent on the soft, mossy ground. As you pass the flowers, their light grows brighter, as if they're greeting you. You reach out to touch one, and its petals feel cool and smooth against your skin. A sense of calm washes over you, deeper than anything you've felt before. In the center of the garden, you find a small pond. Its surface is perfectly still, reflecting the moon and the glowing flowers like a mirror. You sit beside it, feeling the soft grass beneath you. The water shimmers, and as you gaze into it, you feel your thoughts begin to quiet. The worries of the day, the noise of the world, it all fades away, leaving only stillness. now, resting on the grass. Above you, the stars twinkle gently, and the glowing flowers sway in a slow rhythmic dance. The garden's lullaby grows louder, wrapping around you like a warm blanket. You feel your body grow heavier, sinking into the earth, as if the garden itself is cradling you. The Moonlight Garden is here for you, a place of peace and rest. Its glowing flowers will watch over you as you drift into sleep, their light keeping the night at bay. Let their gentle hum carry you into dreams, where the garden will always be waiting for you. Close your eyes now and sleep well. The Moonlight Garden is with